You trust everything on a plane, the seat, the air, the drinks. But airlines don't tell passengers everything. In this video, I'm breaking down the 15 flight secrets no one tells you. Some of these are uncomfortable, some are surprising, and some actually matter more than you think. Let's start with 1. Almost everyone touches, and almost nobody cleans. Number 15. Seat pockets. That seat pocket in front of you looks harmless, but it's one of the least cleaned places on the plane. People use it like a trash bin. Use tissues, food wrappers, half-finished snacks. Sometimes even things you really don't want to think about, and cleaning crews often don't empty or disinfect every pocket between flights. So when you slide your phone inside or store your headphones, you're placing them exactly where dozens of other passengers did before you. Number 14, the tray table. It looks clean, flat, empty, ready to use. But it's one of the dirtiest surfaces on the entire aircraft. Studies have found tray tables can carry more bacteria than airplane bathrooms because bathrooms get cleaned constantly. Tray tables don't. People eat on them, sleep on them, parents change diapers on them, and then the plane lands, new passengers board. And within minutes, you're using that same surface, no proper deep cleaning, and your food goes right on top of it. Number 13, blankets and pillows. Those blankets and pillows feel fresh, neatly folded, but that doesn't mean they're clean. On many flights, they're not washed after every single use. If they still look fine, they can be repacked and reused, which means you could be using something someone else had wrapped around them just hours earlier. Number 12, the coffee and tea. You order a coffee, it's hot, smells normal, feels safe, but on many flights it's not made with bottled water. It comes from onboard tanks, and those tanks don't get cleaned as often as people assume. They sit there, warm, moist, a perfect environment for bacteria. Some flight attendants openly say they never drink coffee or tea on board. Not occasionally, never. So if the crew avoids it completely, that should tell you something. Number 11, bathroom water. That sink water in the airplane bathroom comes from the same onboard system. It's not considered safe for drinking. That's why crew often recommend using bottled water even for brushing your teeth. Because what looks like clean running water isn't always what you think it is. Number 10, the air you breathe. You sit down, and that cool air hits your face. It feels fresh, but most of that air is recycled through the cabin. Yes, it passes through HEPA filters, and those filters are powerful, but you're still inside a closed space with dozens or hundreds of people for hours, breathing, talking, coughing. Filtered doesn't mean fresh, it just means less of what was already there. Number 9, the cabin floor. Taking off your shoes feels like a small comfort, but that floor is not what you think it is. It absorbs everything, spilled drinks, food, and sometimes things that never made it to the bathroom. And it's not deep cleaned between flights. So when you walk around in socks, you're not just walking, you're picking up everything that's already in that carpet. Number 8, the rules you ignore. Lights dim, tray tables up, window shades open. It feels routine, like something airlines just tell you to do. But every one of these rules exists for a reason. If something happens during takeoff or landing, your eyes adjust faster, your exit path stays clear, and the crew can see outside immediately. Those small rules only matter in one situation, the one nobody wants to be in. Number 7, pilot meals. Pilots often don't eat the same meal, not because they want different food, because if one meal is contaminated, only one pilot gets sick, not both. It sounds like a small detail, but it's built into the system to reduce risk in ways passengers never notice. Number 6, pilots sleeping on long flights. Your pilot might be asleep, but not the way people imagine. It's controlled, timed, scheduled. One pilot rests, while the other stays fully alert, because fatigue is one of the biggest risks in aviation. An arrested pilot is far safer than an exhausted one. Number 5, crew changes. On longer routes, the crew you board with is not always the crew you land with. Pilots and cabin crew can rotate during the journey, which means responsibility shifts mid-flight. Most passengers never notice it, But behind the scenes, the system keeps moving. Number 4. Shrinking seats. You've probably felt it. Flights are getting tighter, less legroom, less space. That's not random. Airlines are adding more seats, reducing the distance between rows, fitting more people into the same aircraft. One extra seat doesn't sound like much until you're stuck there for hours, barely able to move. That discomfort is by design. Number 3. Oxygen masks. If something goes wrong mid-flight, those oxygen masks only last about 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. Not because something failed, but because that's how long it takes for the plane to descend to a safe altitude, which means one thing. If they drop, you don't wait. You don't hesitate. You put it on immediately because you only have seconds before it matters. Number 2. Phone searches at borders. At some airports, border officers can ask to search your phone, messages, photos, apps, and refusing can lead to delays or even denial of entry. Most travelers don't expect it, but it's part of the system you enter when you fly internationally. Number 1. Overbooking flights are often overbooked on purpose. Airlines sell more tickets than seats because they expect no-shows. And most of the time, they're right. But when they're wrong, someone doesn't fly. And if you don't understand how that system works, you're usually the easiest one to remove. None of this is random. It's how flying actually works. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. If this changed the way you think about flying, hit subscribe, because the next video shows you what airports are doing before you even board.